Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road is
Following quite a while of living under a dim cloud in the United States, 2015 was turning out to be the year moderate diesel-fueled traveler vehicles would make a genuine stand. Volkswagen, long a torchbearer for the innovation in America, was revealing solid deals. Mazda was attempting to affirm its Euro showcase diesel. General Motors was preparing its second-gen 2017 Chevrolet Cruze diesel, and a few different makers were, without precedent for decades, examining the feasibility of diesels for stateside obligation. At that point, as the one prompt, the VW diesel outrage crushed and it was spirit to square one. But while VW was caught up with tidying up its chaos and Mazda keeps on fiddling with its entrance, the Chevrolet Cruze diesel hit the avenues running clean. EPA-consistent diesel vehicles likewise are accessible from BMW, Jaguar, and Land Rover. However, they cost thousands progressively and draw an alternate statistic. GM's turbo diesel 1.6-liter inline-four motor is presently accessible and significantly enhanced. New for 2018 Equinox reduced hybrid, as well, so we caught one to check whether it's a honest-to-goodness fuel sipper with usable bass and snort or only a clattery expansion to the 1.5 and 2.0-liter four-barrel gas motors as of now in the lineup. While we question speeding up, test numbers play into the basic leadership procedure of most imminent Equinox diesel purchasers, it is important that the Equinox with the turbocharged 2.0-liter and all-wheel drive knocked off the 0 to 60 mph measure in 6.6 seconds and finished the quarter in 15.1 seconds at 94 mph. That is 2.8 and 2.1 seconds speedier, a huge inlet of an execution contrast. Then again, the turbocharged 1.5-liter with AWD scarcely squeezes out a prevail upon the diesel, posting times of 8.9 and 16.9 seconds at 83 mph, which fell inside a large portion of the moment of the diesel. Then, the Honda CR-V, one of our best picks in the section, posted 7.6 and 16.0 second circumstances. That distinction with the diesel is that you are utilizing the greater part of the quickening agent travel more often than not, though the fuel motor can be worked with more artfulness. That the Equinox's diesel four-barrel takes these incessant full-throttle strikes so excitedly and stoically is its redeeming quality.